Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the coding world. I'm here in the first video of introduction to Python. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Python, one of the most popular programming language in the world. Python has gained tremendous recognition adoption due to its simplicity, versatility, and the extension range of applications. Our biggest application, for example, the Instagram, as we all know, the programming of background programming of Instagram also in the Python language. So let's dive into the world of Python and explore its core concepts together. So first, let's start with the overview of Python. So Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its readability and the elegant syntax. Python is very user-friendly. So, and the one of the great advantage of the Python is ease of use and learnability. So let's set up the Python environment. First of all, we need to download the Python from their official website. So as you can see, this is the official website of the Python. You can search Python in your browser, and the first website that will show up in the results. This is the official website of the Python. So for download, we go into download section and choose our OS system. For me, I'm using Windows, so I can download Python for Windows here. You can see this is the latest version of Python 3.11.3. So I already downloaded the Python. Let's install it into our PC. Uh, okay, so it's saying you already have the Python. So when you first install the Python, you can you can take multiple options here, but the most important one is this: add Python to the environment variable. This checkbox will automatically add this Python to our environmental variable of our PC. So okay, I already have. You can continue the process until it install itself. So I'm gonna quit this process. So our Python is installed. So let's see how we can check either Python installed in our PC or not. Okay, open your CMD by clicking in the icon of window and type manually here the CMD. So I'm opening my CMD form. So when you type Python here, okay, when I type Python and press enter, it's showing me my Python version and it also entered in the Python mode. So uh, for check purpose, we can do a simple mathematics like 2 plus 2, and when we press enter, it's showing me its result. Okay, let's back to our presentation. So we set up the environment successfully. Let's run our first script. Uh, Here's my folder. Okay, let's create a Python file here. So I'm creating a Python file by opening a new document, new text document. Okay, here's my new text document, and click save as, and here you can enter the file name. I'm giving it sample, and here I need to select all files and sample.py because .py is the extension of a Python file. Okay, I'm gonna save it. And let's close this. So here it is, the Python file. This is our first Python file. Let's write some code in it. Up, I'm opening it with the notepad. Okay, let's write our first line of code here. And then save it and close. Okay, to run a Python file, we just need to start a CMD here. You can do it with your own method, but the simple method is go to this bar and write CMD. So it opened the CMD in this directory, as you can see this. So to run this file, you just need to write Python space and then the file name .py. Here it is. So congratulations, our first file and our first code of Python is working successfully. So, okay, that's it. We'll meet in the our next video. Then we will discuss the Python basics. We will discuss Python variables, what is Python data types, what's the operators we use in Python and expressions, and then we will proceed to next topics like our conditional statement, flow statement, if else, etc. Thank you so much and good luck for your career and okay, goodbye for till our next video.